We often chase happiness in goals, people, or possessions. But what if the source is already inside you, running on a precise chemical recipe? Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're meeting your brain's core happiness team. 4 key neurotransmitters that shape how you feel every single day. First, what are these chemicals? Think of your brain as a vast city of neurons. Neurotransmitters are the chemical messengers that carry signals from one neuron to the next across tiny gaps called synapses. The right balance of these messengers is what creates your mood, motivation, and sense of well-being. Let's meet the star of motivation, dopamine. This is not the pleasure chemical, but the anticipation and drive chemical. It's released when you expect a reward, motivating you to take action toward a goal, whether finishing a task or taking a bite of food. It's about the pursuit, not just the possession. Low dopamine is linked to a lack of motivation and anhedonia. Next is serotonin, the mood and social confidence stabilizer. It regulates anxiety, happiness, and self-esteem. Healthy serotonin levels create a general sense of well-being and belonging. Importantly, about 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut, which is why gut health is directly tied to mood. Many antidepressants work on this system. This is the warm, fuzzy one. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone or cuddle chemical. It's released through social bonding, physical touch, trust, and acts of kindness. It promotes feelings of connection, reduces stress, and builds relationship security. It's the chemical foundation of love and community. Finally, endorphins, your body's natural painkiller and euphoria creator. Endorphin means endogenous morphine. They're released in response to stress, discomfort, or pain, like during vigorous exercise, runner's high, laughter, or even eating spicy food. They mask pain and create a temporary feeling of euphoria. You don't need a pill to influence these systems. You can hack your chemistry naturally. For dopamine, break big goals into small, achievable tasks to get frequent reward hits. For serotonin, get sunlight, exercise, and practice gratitude. For oxytocin, hug someone, give a compliment, or have a deep conversation. For endorphins, engage in regular exercise and laugh heartily. The modern world hijacks this system. Social media likes give quick dopamine hits, making real-world goals feel slow. Isolation drains oxytocin. Poor diet and indoor life undermine serotonin. Understanding this helps you see why you might feel off balance and how to recalibrate towards sustainable joy, not just quick spikes. So, to recap, dopamine drives you, serotonin grounds you, oxytocin connects you, and endorphins protect and uplift you. True well-being isn't about maximizing one, but nurturing a balanced, harmonious team. Your daily habits are the coach that trains this team. Your happiness has a biological blueprint. By understanding it, you can work with your body, not against it. Which of these happiness chemicals do you think you need more of? Let us know in the comments. If this explained your inner world, subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more science made simple.